Hello everyone, our HDS friends, local and abroad, at lalo na nandito sa Bohol, Visayas, Luzon, and Mindanao. Guess what? Today is April 1 and meron tayong kasama dito. But before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Flor, and isang principal sa isang pribadong school sa Quezon City and Zamboanga City. And we are very, very blessed. April 1, meron tayong kasamahang onliner na nag-encash ng malaking side income. Gusto niyo bang malaman? Listen to her.
Hi! Hello everyone! Thank you, Ma'am Flor. By the way, no, kung ako isang teacher, si Ma'am Flor, isang principal, tinatawagan namin lahat ng taga-DepEd dyan. Private ka man or public man. Kasi pareho tayo nangangailangan na ng side hustle income or extra income. Good news kasi kaka-withdraw po ng ating payout last Sunday. So nag-encash pala tayo ng yan 78,000. So malaking tulong na to as a teacher, di ba? Kung ilang buwan to, I think times 3 sa sahod po natin, naka-good news kasi dito po, pwede mo siyang gawin part-time na kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Dagdag extra income to natin kasi ginawa ko to nung nag-start ako, part-time after my class, pero ngayon, pwede mo magawa, gamit lang yung Facebook mo. Kung ikaw, naka-curious, anong ginawa namin ng Ma'am Flor, sobrang busy, teacher, principal, messages si Ma'am Flor, iga-guide ka, tuturuan ka paano ba kikita sa HDS.
And you will be
Message
that
ma'am.
next.